An exceptional opportunity awaits at the Stoweflake Mountain Resort and Spa, situated on 29 picturesque acres in Stowe, Vermont. This full-service mountain retreat offers a variety of facilities and accommodations. The property includes 116 income-generating hotel rooms, a 4-bedroom rental residence, and approximately 1,200 square feet of leasable street-level commercial space. Additionally, there is potential for up to 64 supplementary revenue units through participation in a managed rental pool of 32 privately owned townhomes. The resort is equipped with a vast array of on-site amenities, such as 3 food and beverage venues, a 22,000 square foot conference center, and a 40,000 square foot spa and sports and wellness center, although the spa and restaurant are currently not open. Guests can enjoy both indoor and outdoor pools, tennis courts, racquetball and squash facilities, and a scenic 9-hole par 3 golf course. The on-site restaurant has seating for up to 165 guests, enhancing the resort's appeal. Ideally located just minutes from the slopes of Stowe Mountain Resort and the charm of downtown Stowe, this property is in one of New England's most desirable year-round destinations. The area is renowned for its skiing, hiking, biking, spas, craft breweries, and locally inspired dining experiences. The auction is scheduled for Thursday, May 15, 2025, starting at 11 a.m., with registration beginning at 10 a.m. Prospective buyers are advised to conduct their own due diligence, as the on-site restaurants and spa are currently advertised as closed. Photos and information are sourced from the 2023 Offering Memorandum. Contact us today for more information.